Tired of dealing with a cracked or worn-out key fob case? What if you could bring your remote back to life without buying a whole new one? This keyless remote case replacement offers a quick, hassle-free fix that restores your key fob's look and function in minutes. I've tried several replacement cases before, and honestly, most felt cheap or didn't fit quite right. But this one stands apart. The fit and finish are impressive. It matches the exact dimensions of your original transmitter cover for a tight, seamless seal. It even comes with 3 types of back covers, so you can pick the one that fits your specific OEM design perfectly. Plus, it keeps moisture and debris out, protecting the sensitive electronics inside. After a few months of use, the buttons still look sharp and work smoothly, which isn't something I can say about other cases I've tested. What makes this replacement case even better is how easy it is to ensure the right fit. Just enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the Garage tool, and you'll know this part is tailored for your car. No guesswork, no returns. If you're ready to save money and avoid the frustration of a failing key fob, this replacement case is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to bring your remote back to life. It's a simple upgrade with real benefits.